Soviet City restaurant, Jukebox Deli, baby. Playing first. Come on now. Okay, y'all better come check this place out. Honey, I got the Soviet City, baby. Oh my gosh. You get to get all you want. Get a tray up for $9 a pound or something like that. Listen. Okay. I've been sitting there waiting on some a minute, so. Get 3 jobs so I can eat this every day. Good.
That stuff look good on the job. Oh yes, that's the jaggy. There you go. Right up under your nose.
Try everything. Alright, now see why everybody named Mama up in here. Okay, I gotta try the stove thing. Hold on. Okay, y'all, we got some, what was it called again? Stove rolls. We got the greens in there, the yams, and the mac and cheese. Honey, fried up. The little sauce right here. Jay, you ready? Okay. Ooh. Ah. He think he funny, gonna slam on the brake.
Popular dish. Those on their most popular.
Everything.
I see some big old vegans going up in there.
Oh my God.
I said, dang.
Everybody ain't vegan, they just know that food good. Jay, you ready to try this or not? Yeah. You gonna dip it or not?
That's not the full experience.
Yeah. Please don't drop a tray. Make sure they can see you back there, sister. Where does it honey? I don't know. You gotta taste it. It's a little different. It's sweet, but it's not honey. We don't do honey. What? Oh, move my head out the way and put your head in it. Oh, what you say, girl?
It's actually really good.
Greens, vegan. Mac and cheese, vegan.
Hot.
It's hot. And sweet potatoes. You know how you eat it all in a plate all rolled up in one? It's all in a roll, baby. Woo! Alright, we got a thumbs up over in the Stokes house. I think my husband should try one too. Because he'll like it, I think. You think he'll like it? I think he will too. I'm gonna let you try one, baby. I'm gonna let it be nice and let you try one. Because you've been so sweet. Oh, can you get my tray back?
Y'all get one more?
You gotta share something with your daddy.
You got 3 right here. It's still 3.
When the non-vegan want to eat all my food, that's gonna be good.
No, that's
Gone.
good.
Gone.
That's what he does good.
I might have to. Because, I always want to try the rolls without the vegan part. But
Sure you did.
because I already be mixing it like that on the plate. So I always wonder.
See how she just took over my tray, y'all. Like, it's gone. It's gone. got a little tangy. I didn't ask, it was just in the bag. It was in the bag and I ate it. Crunch, crunch.
Yeah.
So you know if the stuff inside is good, it's good on the tray too. She got all the stuff.
Calm down, baby. Calm down. Pass that tray around.
Give it back. All right, you're welcome. All right, here go the big boss hog over here.
I'm driving now. I'm driving.
Okay, baby, I ain't gonna let you. It's gonna be good.
Oh, jeez.
We dip you up.
Oh, yeah.
It's hot now. Slow City, y'all better check it out. Oh, you gonna always be surprised when the stuff turn out. Oh, sorry. She got her. I'm just gonna give it to you.
We should have got 2 trays of them.
Thumbs up for the boss man right there. Thumb up in the back, girl. Hey, College 2 say hey.
I can go vegan with
Okay.
that.
Right. There's a lot of stuff to choose from, baby, and I'm about to throw down. Okay, peace
Get a
out.
menu?
It's on your phone.
Oh,
They're busy too.
okay.
Y'all doing a great job. Thank you so much for this vegan food. I'm gonna do the sweets in a minute.